Hello, my name is Robin and you are welcome to my YouTube mathematics channel. On this channel, I will be solving all your mathematics problems. Today, I will be teaching you on a topic called number system. I'm not going to bore you with history of number system or definition of that. I will just tell you what you need to know and how to solve every question on number system. Let's dive right into it. Any mathematical expression or equation given as this is a number system or a number base, where this x, the x, is known as the number and the a is known as the base. That is how we have number base. So any mathematical expression or equation that is represented as x subscript a is a number base or a number system question. For an example, if I have 1, 0, 3 as subscript, the number here is 1, 0. That is the number. It's the same thing as saying x. So 1, 0 is the number, and 3 down here is the base, same as a. So if I have 1, 2, 2, 5 as subscript, the number here is 1, 2, 2, while the base is 5. So I can say 10 base 3. I can say 122 base 5. I can still have something like this here. You can see now that the number here is 13 while the base is 4. But the base is not a numerical value. It's written in terms of word. 4. It is still the same thing. So 13 in base 4, numerically in terms of base, is the same thing as 13 base 4 written in words. So do not be bothered about that. It is the same. So any mathematical expression in form of x subscript a is a number base or a number system question or expression. So that is how you'll be able to know if a question given to you is a number system or a number base. The next thing we want to go into is counting in bases. Counting in bases. That is the next thing we want to go to. Counting in bases. So let's begin with counting in bases. Generally, all numbers are in base 10. We count generally in base 10. Base 10 simply means decimal or denary. It's the same thing as base 10. If I tell you 13 plus 11, this is going to be 24. Why? Because naturally numbers are in base 10. But because we are taking the topic number system, we are going to be checking all other bases apart from base 10. So in this case here, if I decide to tell you about base 10, base 10. Now, base 10, the highest number you can have on a particular base is that base minus 1? Listen again. I write it somewhere here. Okay? Maximum number on a base is the base minus 1. So, we have base 10 now, right? We want to know the maximum number we can get on base 10. So I will say 10 minus 1, which is 9. So the highest number you can have on base 10 is 9. So what are the ranges of numbers you can have on base 10? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the highest number you can have on base 10. Let's go to base 9. What is the highest number you can have on base 9? Remember, for you to get the highest number you can have on a particular base, you will say that base minus 1. So the base we are considering here is base 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So 8 is the maximum number you can get on base 9. So what are the ranges of numbers you can get on base 9? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the maximum number you can get on base 9. Let's do for base 8. What is the maximum number you can get on base 8? Tell me. Correct. 7. How? 8 minus 1 is 7. So the maximum number you can get on base 8 is 7. So what are the ranges of numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the maximum number you can get on base 8. You already know how to do this. We're on base 8. I will write from base 8 now to base 2. So I will quickly do that now so I don't have to waste your time doing that, because you already know how to do that. Good. Now, we now know how to get the maximum number on a particular base. But what is the application of this? I'm going to tell you why you need to know this. Okay? Now, let's see the application of knowing the maximum number of a particular base. Okay, so I will show you the application of knowing the maximum number of a particular base. For an example, if I give you something like this. Now, I want to show you the application. The first thing you need to consider, let's talk about 12 base 3. Okay, 12 base 3. What is the base here? The base is 3. Remember, the highest number that you need to have on base 3 is what? 2. So, none of these numbers should be greater than 2. Okay, I'll make it easy for you now. What do you have? Base 3, right? What are the numbers? You have 1. 1 is less than 3. That means the expression is still correct. 2 is less than 3. The expression is correct. It simply means for a number-based expression or equation to be correct, the numbers has to be less than the base. I'll write it somewhere here also for you. The number must be less or lesser than the base for a number-based expression or equation to be correct. Okay, so let's see how this works now. So 12 base 3. What are the numbers? I have 1. 1 is less than 3. 2 is less than 3. So 1 and 2 is less than 3. That means this question is what? Correct. You can see the application now. Let's go to the next question. 204 base 3. All you need to check is you need to know the base and you need to know the numbers. The base is 3 here. So that means all the numbers that I have has to be less than 3 for the expression to be correct. 2 is less than 3, the expression is still correct. 0 is less than 3, the expression is still correct. But 4 is greater than 3, so that question is wrong, or the expression is wrong. So 204 base 3 is a wrong word expression for a number base. Let's go to the next one. 512 base 7. 7 is the base. So 5 is less than 7, the expression is still correct. 1 is less than 7, the expression is still correct. 2 is less than 7, the expression is correct. So 512 base 7 is a correct word expression. Let's go to the next one. 1101. The base is 2. All these numbers here are less than 2. So the question is correct. The expression is correct. The base is 3 here. 2 is less than 3. The expression is still correct. But 5 is greater than 3. 5 is greater than 3, which makes the expression wrong. Now, I will give you 3 seconds to tell me if the expression is correct for the last one. Okay, tell me now. Yes, you are correct. So the expression is what? Correct. So you can see this is the application of knowing the maximum number you can have on any of those bases that we discussed earlier on. Now, the next phase of this video is going to be giving you some questions and you tell me if it is correct expression or wrong expression. Okay, now the question says state either incorrect or correct for the below number bases expression. I want you to take your time and tell me each of these expression if it is correct or incorrect. You have 5 seconds to do that. Your time counts now. Okay, the first one. 1, 2, 4. The base is 6. All these numbers are less than 6. So this is what? Correct. The next one is 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2. All these numbers are less than 2, which makes the question correct or the expression correct. The next one is this. The base is 9. All the numbers here are less than 9, which makes the expression correct. The last one here, the base is 2, but 2 and 2 is equal to 2. And remember, I said for a number system or a number-based expression to be correct, the number must be less than the base for a number-based expression or equation to be correct. For this one here, 2 is equal to the base. So this is what? Incorrect. Good job. Thank you for spending time on my channel today, and I see you in the next video. Please click on subscribe and like, and try to help me to share my videos to your friends who are also in need of mathematics. Thank you. See you. Bye.